Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today I'm testing out Chiltan Pure products. So let's be into it.
Rice face wash, urgent facial, and their onion oil.
First of all, I have their rice face wash. It will lighten your scars, will minimize your pores, and it's very gentle on your skin. Massage it for 2 to 3 minutes on your face and then wash your face. Second, I have their urgent facial. It will give you instant glow and softening and will moisturize your face as well. Apply this on your face and give a massage to your face for 7 minutes with moist hands. Then wash your face with water and it will give you the instant glow. Just look at my glowing skin. And then I have their onion oil. Onion oil is very good for our hairs, improves hair texture and delays permanent graying. Massage it on your scalp for 10 minutes and then wash your hairs after 2 hours.